TikTok has become one of the most potent platforms for earning money. The right approach makes generating significant income possible without ever showing your face. By leveraging automation tools and strategies, creators can streamline the content creation process and focus more on the strategic aspects of growing their channel. This guide will walk you through how to harness TikTok automation, from selecting a niche to monetizing your content to making over $10,000 a month. Whether you're just starting out or looking to scale your presence on the platform, this comprehensive approach to TikTok can help you achieve financial success. Embracing TikTok automation is a decisive step toward taking control of your content creation and management. By utilizing advanced tools and technologies, you can grow your following and generate income without the constant pressure of producing new videos. The popular method of creating faceless content, where the creator's face never appears on camera, is a testament to the empowerment that automation brings. This strategy is perfect for individuals who value privacy or are uncomfortable being on camera but want to tap into TikTok's earning potential. By automating different aspects of TikTok content production, you can free up time to focus on more strategic activities, like engaging with your audience and exploring new monetization opportunities. However, it's crucial to balance automation and personal engagement. While automation can streamline your content creation, personal engagement with your audience is what builds a loyal following. TikTok offers multiple income streams, including ads, brand sponsorships, and its creator fund, which rewards popular content. Using automation tools, you can streamline content creation while maximizing your ability to capitalize on TikTok's revenue streams. AI-powered tools can be a game changer in your TikTok content creation journey. For instance, you can use AI writing platforms like ChatGPT to develop compelling video scripts tailored to your niche. These tools can also assist with video editing, such as using AI-powered video editors to enhance the visual appeal of your content. This is especially useful if you manage multiple TikTok accounts or post content at a high frequency. Automation tools like Lumen 5 or InVideo can also help turn written content into engaging videos. These platforms offer easy-to-use templates and features that allow you to create videos without advanced editing skills. This reduces the time and effort required to produce high-quality content, allowing you to focus on scaling your TikTok account. Furthermore, using AI to generate content ideas ensures that you stay relevant to trending topics, increasing the likelihood of your videos going viral. One of the foundational steps to success on TikTok is choosing a profitable niche. Your niche is the specific area of interest you'll focus on for your content, and selecting the right one can make all the difference in building a dedicated audience. When you have a defined niche, it's easier to target a particular audience and create content that resonates with them, which helps grow your following and attract monetization opportunities. Some popular niches on TikTok include travel, fitness, cooking, beauty, and technology reviews. There are also less common but equally profitable niches like DIY crafts, mental health, or personal finance. Finding a niche that interests you and is in demand within the TikTok community is critical to maintaining consistent content creation and growth. For example, creators like at Nikki Tutorials in the beauty niche and at the Financial Diet and Personal Finance have managed to grow their channels by staying focused on their respective niches, which has also helped them secure sponsorship deals and brand collaborations. Once you've selected a niche, it's time to set up and brand your TikTok channel. Your channel's branding will play a massive role in how potential followers perceive you and whether they engage with your content. Start by creating a unique and memorable username that reflects your niche. This makes it easier for users to find and recognize you. Next, optimize your profile by uploading a professional logo or profile picture, crafting an engaging bio that describes who you are and your content, and linking other social media accounts if applicable. Your bio should clearly communicate what viewers can expect from your content and include relevant keywords to improve your visibility on the platform. A strong call to action in your bio, like encouraging users to follow for regular tips or content updates, can also help convert profile views into followers. The potential for earning money on TikTok is vast, and you can monetize your account in several ways once you've built a solid following. One of the most straightforward methods is through the TikTok Creator Fund, which allows creators with over 10,000 followers and at least 100,000 video views in the past 30 days to earn money based on their content's popularity. This program rewards creators for producing high-quality, engaging content that keeps viewers on the platform. Another popular way to monetize your TikTok presence is through affiliate marketing and CPA or cost per action offers. You can partner with brands to promote their products or services by sharing referral links in your bio or video descriptions. Every time someone clicks on your link and completes a specified action, like making a purchase or signing up for a service, you earn a commission. This monetization method can be highly lucrative if you promote products that align with your niche and that your audience will likely engage with. Sponsorship deals and brand partnerships are significant opportunities for earning money on TikTok. As your channel grows, companies will contact you for collaborations, offering payment in exchange for featuring their products in your videos. Successful creators often share their personal experiences and favorite products, which helps build trust with their audience and makes sponsored content more authentic. This authenticity is critical to maintaining a solid connection with your viewers. Once your channel is up and running, the key to long-term TikTok success is not just numbers, but building a community. Consistently engaging with your audience can help foster a sense of belonging and loyalty, encouraging viewers to return for more. Replying to comments, asking questions, and encouraging interaction can significantly boost your engagement rates, which is critical for TikTok's algorithm. Additionally, staying on top of TikTok trends is vital for content discovery and growth. By participating in prevalent challenges or using trending sounds, you increase the likelihood of your content being discovered by new users. However, always aim to put your unique twist on trends to ensure your content stands out. Collaborating with other creators is another effective way to grow your TikTok account. By partnering with creators in your niche, you can tap into each other's audiences and expand your reach. Cross-promotion can introduce your content to a new set of viewers, many of whom may choose to follow you if they enjoy your content. Creating engaging videos is at the heart of TikTok's success. Automation tools can make this process more efficient. AI-powered video editing platforms like CapCut and InShot allow you to quickly and easily create polished content, even if you're new to video production. These tools offer templates, filters, and effects designed explicitly for TikTok, helping you produce videos that fit the platform's fast-paced style. When creating your videos, aim for concise and engaging content. Most TikTok users prefer shorter videos, between 15 and 60 seconds, so it is vital to grab their attention quickly and deliver your message clearly. Starting with a strong hook in the first few seconds will ensure that viewers stick around for the rest of the video. Additionally, incorporating a call to action, like asking viewers to follow or comment, can increase engagement and encourage them to interact with your content. As you continue to produce content and grow your following, scaling your TikTok channel becomes a matter of refining your strategy and increasing your content output. Automation tools can help you manage multiple accounts or post more frequently without investing additional time into content creation. By using AI tools for video scripting, editing, and posting, you can maintain a consistent posting schedule, which is crucial for growth on TikTok. Diversifying your content is another important aspect of scaling. While staying true to your niche is essential, experimenting with different types of content, formats, and trends can help attract new viewers and keep your existing audience engaged. As your audience grows, so will your opportunities for monetization, whether through the Creator Fund, affiliate marketing, or sponsorship deals. TikTok offers an incredible opportunity for creators to earn money, and by automating your content creation process, you can focus on scaling your channel and maximizing your earnings. Whether you're looking to make an extra income on the side or turn TikTok into a full-time venture, following these steps will set you on the path to success. By selecting a profitable niche, branding your channel effectively, and utilizing AI tools for video creation, you can build a strong TikTok presence that leads to financial freedom.